सर एक सवाल और है कि क्रिकेट को जेंटलमैन गेम माना जाता है। क्या आपको लगता है यही वजह है कि जो जिस तरह से अगर उनके जो स्टेटमेंट है उनको बहुत सोच समझ के क्रिकेटर्स को देना चाहिए, और महिलाओं के बारे में जो कही गई है बात, आपने एपिसोड हालांकि नहीं देखा है लेकिन एक मैं जनरल परसेप्शन आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि
कभी जब घर में बेटी होती है ना और वो टीवी देखती है तो ये एडवांटेज होता है, तो कहीं कहीं शोज आपके मिस हो जाते हैं।
लेकिन मैं आपसे जानना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे क्रिकेटर को जो माना जाता है कि जेंटलमैन गेम है और उनकी बातों को बहुत सीरियसली लिया जाता है, और अभी माना जा रहा है कि यंगस्टर इस पर ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं, तो उस पर आपका एज ए सीनियर क्या कहना है?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, आप जनरलाइज नहीं कर सकते। यू नो somebody, people make mistakes, let's not get too far into that, and I am sure whoever has done it will realize and will come out as a better person. We are all human beings, we are not machines that everything you put in comes out perfect. So you just got to live life and let others live. So they are responsible people, as they said, they are humans, they may be role models, but they are under pressure all the time to perform. And certain things happen, and I think as everyone, we should move on and make sure that it doesn't happen again.
अच्छा, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, हार्दिक पांड्या और केएल राहुल के साथ जो चल रहा है उस पर आपकी क्या राय है?
मैं वो प्रोग्राम देखा नहीं यार, तो मेरे लिए
I'm
बोलना
also going to
मुश्किल है।
request my friends from the audience because
मैं
we have
वो
very
जरूर
little
देख
time.
लेता हूँ,
So,
comedy nights with Kapil.
अरे
Modern day cricketers are also obedient, in life certain things happen, you make mistakes, so let's not get too far into that, I think. But modern day players are all, look at Virat Kohli, he's such a fantastic role model. So every generation has, India is a fortunate country, every generation produces players who all of us cherish. There was Gavaskar. When Gavaskar went, people thought, who's next? Then came Tendulkar. Now when Tendulkar finished, people thought, who next? It's Virat Kohli. So we're a very fortunate country in terms of the sport, and a lot of these cricketers are fantastic human beings because they come from very middle class backgrounds and they fight their way up. Can you imagine 11 selected out of the millions who play the game? There are 37 states who play cricket, and they all have such exceptional talent that to get to be picked for those that 11 in the national team and to play for 15-16 years is absolutely special. So they're humble, they know where it is, because that's reality. If you don't score, somebody else comes in. What you did last year has got nothing to do with this year. So that's what life is all about. So they're very humble. Every now and then one or two makes mistakes, but I know most of them personally, and they're great guys.
Interesting.
The best thing about is that whoever the cricketer is had a retake. Once if I played Glenn McGrath and I nicked one outside, I wish there was an opportunity to go and bat again.
go and
But that
So that's the wish.
that doesn't happen. So I wished I had that opportunity. But any film on cricket, there have been quite a few. So have attracted people, their attention, and people have gone to watch it. And I hope they do this one as well, because I think this is a very special relationship and something which is very prevalent in sport, agent and cricketers. And I think all cricketers should actually learn how to handle it, because that's a very fine balance. When you play for the country, when you watch the greats like Virat Kohli or Tendulkar on television over the years, you see the end product of it. But what actually goes behind is a lot more simpler and a lot more tough than what you see at the end when they get 100 and when the bat goes up, or when they're on 15 endorsements everywhere. So that's a reality of life. So it's a great relationship in sport, and I've always believed that the game controls the other one. It's never the other way around.
Absolutely.
And I think for every young cricketer, that's a must, that you look after your game, everything gets looked after. But obviously this is different. This is cinema. And I've actually seen Mitali's effort for a long period of time. He comes from where I stay, very close to where I stay in Behala, and it's not easy to get everything together, come all the way up to Bombay and make things happen. So I must thank Varun, the other cast. Obviously, Jyoti is her elder sister, so she can get anything done with her, and the rest. But I must say that, for all the efforts they have made, all the time they have spent on this film, and I've seen Barun come in a Durga Puja and shoot. the Eden Gardens, the Mohun Bagan ground, Calcutta. I hope it becomes a success. You know, when you practice day in day out, you under the sun, in the heat, or in the winter, as a cricket fan, you expect that cricketer to succeed. That when it comes game time, he delivers. So it's game time for Mithali and the cast. So hopefully they will deliver, and I'll be the most happiest person as and when everybody says it's a great film. It's not just the money which it makes, but it's what it brings to people who watch it. So if everyone comes out of the theater says that it's a fantastic film, I think all the effort they have put over the last 4, 5, 6, I don't know how many years, will be very, very fruitful.
Wow, wow, wow. A big hand for those words. Very magnanimous of you, of course. You know, takes me back to that Test debut when he walked on at the Lords and made a 131. I'm just such a fan. So please allow me to be a fan, all right?
Yeah, that's reality though, because if I wouldn't have got runs, I would have never played again. So.
Exactly, exactly. Fire off the question. To be between 22 yards is not something new for you. You've ruled the pitch, but today when you're here on a red carpet instead of a green one, could you start off by telling us your association with the film 22 Yards?
Yeah, I think you summed it up very well, isn't it? It's not the green carpet anymore. So I think Partho is a friend. Partho and Mithali have more than a friend. It's a family actually, because, you know, I've known them since I was 12 or 13.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and I used to play cricket. Partho used to be a journalist, and so was Mithali. Yes. So because of the game and because of their profession, I got closer to them, and then they left that profession. Partho now is with me in whatever I do, and Mithali has done this film. So the reason for me coming here is it's a bit more than just turning up. So I'm very happy to be here. I saw the portions of the film with Varun, and I know how much effort they have made to get the film where it is today. So it's an honor for me to be here, and I wish them all the very best. Wish all the star cast and everyone who's involved in the film, front of the camera, back of the camera, the back room, because I know how much it takes to get anything successful. You know, whether it's in sport, whether it's in cinema, or whether it's in business. So my good wishes to all of them. I'm sure a lot of you will watch it. You'll enjoy it, because this is a huge sport in this country, and as they say, it rules the country, and it has done that over the years. So I'm sure you'll get to know a bit more. It's about an agent and a cricketer, which is very common in modern day sport, and hopefully everybody will enjoy it.
Well, fabulous. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I have nothing more to say. As the two of us, take our places down, we're going to bring the riser down. We're going to watch 22 Yards Ka trailer for the first time ever. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand, of course, for Mrs. Saurav Ganguly.
I'll just interrupt. When she was a journalist and I had started playing for India, I had got 2 back-to-back test hundreds on debut. Then when I played against Australia in my 3rd test, I got out for 70. And she was covering that test match in Delhi. So the first question she asked me, why didn't you get a 3rd 100? So it was as simple as that. So now she realizes how hard it is to get things going.
Absolutely. Wow, wow, wow. Now,
सौरभ जी मेरा सवाल आपके लिए है इधर अक्षत त्यागी फ्रॉम अमृतसर। मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आजकल बायोपिक्स काफ़ी बन रही हैं। पहले सचिन जी के ऊपर बनी, फिर धोनी के ऊपर भी बनी, और अब रणवीर जी भी केडी मतलब 83 मूवी बन रही है, उसमें आ रहे हैं। तो अगर कल आपके ऊपर पिक्चर बनती है, तो आप किसको चाहेंगे कि वो आपकी एक्टिंग करे उस फिल्म में?
यार ये बोलना मुश्किल है इस समय, क्योंकि मैंने सोचा ही नहीं बायोपिक का। ये पहले सब बन जाने दीजिए, फिर अगर टाइम होगा तो मेरा बना लेंगे, लोगों को देखने का इंटरेस्ट भी होगा तो एक्चुअली बहुत सारे अच्छे बायोपिक्स बने। मिल्खा सिंह के बने जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, MS धोनी का बहुत अच्छा लगा, तेंदुलकर का थोड़ा सा अलग था, अभी 1983 का बन रहा है, वो एक बड़ा समय था भारतीय क्रिकेट का, तो वो मैं देखने के लिए ज़रूर चाहूँगा कि जब वो ख़त्म हो देखे। But as far as my biopic is concerned, we'll wait and see. Nothing is at the moment. I've thought about it also.
Saurav, what difference do you find, Saurav here, what difference do you find in the earlier cricketers and the cricketers now, the freshers like, on par with being obedient and etc. etc.?
No, modern day cricketers are also obedient, in life certain things happen, you make mistakes, so let's not get too far into that. I think, but modern day players are all, look at Virat Kohli, he's such a fantastic role model. So every generation has, India is a fortunate country, every generation produces players who all of us cherish. You know, there was Gavaskar. When Gavaskar went, people thought, who's next? Then came Tendulkar. Now, when Tendulkar finished, people thought, who next? It's Virat Kohli. So, we're a very fortunate country in terms of the sport. And a lot of these cricketers are fantastic human beings because they come from very middle-class backgrounds and they fight their way up. You know, can you imagine 11 selected out of the millions who play the game? You know, there are 37 states who play cricket, and they all have such exceptional talent that, you know, to get to be picked for those that 11 in the national team and to play for 15, 16 years is absolutely special. So they're humble. They know where it is because that's reality. You know, if you don't score, somebody else comes in. What you did last year has got nothing to do with this year. So that's what life is all about. So they're very humble. You know, every now and then one or two makes mistakes, but you know, I know most of them personally, and they're great guys.
कि 22 यार्ड्स पे कोई जब आप गए हो कभी और कभी नर्वस रहे हो या फिर कोई ऐसा मेमोरेबल मोमेंट जो शेयर करना चाहें?
देखिए, हमेशा नर्वस रहते थे क्योंकि आपके दिल के साथ जो चीज़ जुड़ा होता है ना, जहाँ आप अच्छा करना चाहते हैं, where you want to be successful and make a mark, you'll invariably be nervous. And nervousness is fine. It's good actually before a performance. You know, it gets the best out of you. You cannot just turn up into anything which you care just empty-headed. And I think nervousness is just a reaction to how successful you want to be. So I think all of us have been nervous. You know, there have been nights where you haven't gone to sleep because you've not been scoring runs, because you care for your job so much. This is part and parcel of every profession. And we all live with it, and I think that's the biggest challenge. You know, a lot of people ask me, Saurav, you do so many things after playing the game, after finishing. Is it the same? I said, no, it's never the same, because when you walk out for the country and you hit a Glenn McGrath through the offside and India wins, nothing can be more satisfying than that. You know, crores of rupees or adulations or whatever. So because that's what you did all your life. So it's the same thing for Varun. It's the same thing for all of us here, for Mithali. I'm sure she must be having goosebumps, nervousness, sleepless nights when it releases on the 22nd of February, because she cares for her film, because she's put all the hard work to be successful. So that's the way it goes, and it's a good thing.
And then unveil that in front of our wonderful audience, please. Yes, sir. You could actually... I hope there's not another paper and another paper and another paper. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you so much. That's beautiful, Yuvika. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And after this, of course, we'll get into our photo opportunities. Thank you so much for being with us today. We will do our photograph solo as well as with the team. We'll start with the team first. So kindly take a shot. Yes, Mithali. At this point, of course, we'd like to call upon a couple more people to join us on the stage. Could we please call upon Amit and Nikita? Thank you so much for being with us. Yeah? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Amit.
Thank you, Amit.
He sang a very beautiful song. And where's Nikita?
Nikita has just,
okay,
yeah. This is, of course, our opportunity for our friends of the media to take a group shot. Can I please request? Yes. Oh, Amit, would you do that? Partho, you can't be sitting there and just smiling. Everybody wants you on the stage.
One line, because I'm big fan of talk about Mr. Saurav Ganguly, so of course, yes. Just one line. Ruk ja Nadeem, ruk ja. That's it, so you're gonna listen to it later, man.
All right. With Parthoda on the stage, please. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Team 22 Yards a big hand, please. Thank you. Samrat?
Can I have the pleasure and to have Samrat on stage? Please, Samrat. Yeah!
He's a real rock star behind
Bobo,
the film.
could I have you also join us,
Behind
please?
the film.
Please, please. Amartya Raut, ladies and gentlemen, the second Amartya on the team.
Other Amartya, not second, other one.
The
yes.
other. Wow, so much love. I have a feeling that I might have to step down to make space for all of this love on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Team 22 Yards. A big hand, please. Thank you. Dada mohabbat se. After this, of course, we'll do solo shots. You tell me who you want, and then I will, of course, cue them. Bataiye. First, Dada. Okay, Dada, would you kindly step forward for your solo shot? Can I ask the cast also to kindly make a little bit of space for the solo shots, please? Thank you so much. I'll be calling you back on stage one by one, okay, guys? So please brace up for that. Thank you, Dada. Barun Sopti, ladies and gentlemen, please on the stage right now. Could I please request the cast and crew to kindly have a seat? Or yes, because they will do their solo, sir. Dada haan solo maar rahe hain, please, if that's what you'd like to call it. Dadu, he's here. He's here. Dada. So please have a seat. Thank you. Thank you so much. Makes it easier for everybody. Thank you. Amartya, would you kindly step forward for your solo? Thank you.